Hello students, in this video we will discuss about construction of a triangle when perimeter of triangle and its two base angles are given. Perimeter of triangles means if given that AB plus BC plus CA, that means sum of all three sides is given, and two base angles is also given. Now let if in triangle ABC angle B and angle C are given and AB plus BC plus CA is also given, then how to construct this triangle? For this, first we draw a line XY is equal to AB plus BC plus CA. That means let XY equal to AB plus BC plus CA. That means length of XY will be sum of all three sides, that means perimeter of triangle, and make equal to angle B and angle C on the X and Y point. So suppose this is the angle YXP equal to angle B and XYQ equal to angle C. Now make angle X angle YXP equal to angle B and angle XYQ equal to angle C. Again draw the angle bisector of angle X and angle Y. That means already we have discussed how to draw the angle bisector of any angle in the previous video. So we draw an arc from X and Y and take the more than half of this length of arc and cut two arc from this point and this point like this, and join X to this intersection point and draw edge like, and similarly from this join A like this. Both perpendicular, both bisectors, angle bisector intersect each other at A. Now again draw the perpendicular bisector of AX and AY. Perpendicular bisector of AX and AY. So draw the perpendicular bisector of AX. Take a radius equal to more than half of AX and AY and cut two arcs. Already we discussed how to draw the perpendicular bisector of any line in the previous video, and similarly this is the bisector of AY, which these bisectors intersect XY at B and C and join A to B and A to C. Thus required triangle will be ABC. Required triangle will be triangle ABC. Thus you can make the triangle ABC when two base angles B and C are given and sum of all sides, that means perimeter of this triangle is given. But how to write the justification of this triangle? Now we will see a justification. Since as you seen here, B and C points lie on the perpendicular bisector of AX and AY. Since B and C lie on perpendicular bisector of AX and AY. Therefore, by the property of perpendicular bisectors, this will be AB equal to XB, that means XB equal to AB, and here YC equal to AC. YC equal to AC. Now we take XY, since from here XY equal to, since XY is equal to the perimeter of required triangle, that means ABC. So here written XY equal to AB plus B, XY equal to, break this, BX plus BC plus YC, BX plus BC plus YC. You can break it. XY equal to BX plus BC plus YC. Since BX equal to AB, so write here AB plus BC, write it is, plus YC replaced by AC. That means XY equal to AB plus BC plus AC, which is the AB, BC and AC are the sides of required triangle, and AB plus BC plus AC is the perimeter of given triangles. Now this is the justification of our construction. Now in the next video we will take some numerical problem related to this chapter.